This is how you can use text behind object in CapCut PC. What you have to do is to move your video in the main timeline, and then you have to click on text and add default text. So I'm gonna add like something like this text. For you, you will add the text you want to add in the video. Let me choose the font, and then I'm going to increase the size as I want, and you too can do it as you want. So then you have to make this text as the same length of the main video, and then select these two, and then right click on your mouse and then create compound clip. After creating compound clip, go on media and bring down that same video. Make sure it is at the same length as the first one, and then click on this overlay and then go on cutout. After clicking on cutout, you will choose auto cutout, and you will wait so that the CapCut can remove the background of this moving person. You see that auto cutout has been completed. So then this is our final results. For more tips, you can subscribe on the channel and turn on the post notification bell so that you will receive notification when you upload new videos. So if you have any comment, you can write it in the comment section below, and catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.